Hello everyone, I am Leo, the sales manager of Leadyo Technology. Today, I am excited to introduce you our LiFePO4 battery in our workshop. Well, each of our battery is equipped by an LCD display, Bluetooth function, and smart BMS. And these are the accessories you will get when you decide to buy the whole set. So, we, as a manufacturer, we can customize any voltage and capacity. And we provide also free branding logo service. So, if you are needing this to upgrade your golf carts, please send us your precious inquiry ASAP. Thank you so much.